If you're a returning subscriber, hey. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You already know me. We're going to get right into this video. So, this video is a traffic and no sales. Meaning, or I'm going to say a little sales. You may get some, but not getting the same exact number that you're wanting to reach to your goal, or your numbers is not adding up to the number of visitors that you have on your website. So, for example, if you have 100 visitors to your site, but you only probably get 2 sales out of those 100 visitors, you're probably like, what's wrong with my website? What can I do better? Are my prices too high? You may be thinking like a million questions because you feel as if your numbers are not matching. You think if you have 100 visitors, that you should probably have like 30 sales. And you're going to want that, and you're going to wish that. Of course, manifest that, but you have to understand that not everybody that goes on your website is willing to buy right away. You have to understand some people are just wanting to look. Some people are wanting to compare prices. Some people really takes about 5 to 10 times just to go through your website just to finally buy something 2 weeks later. Okay? And that's something that I had to realize because I actually had a customer who visited my website over 50 times and finally she purchased. I don't know what made her purchase. I don't know her personally at all. So I can't really say really what was her reason for going on my website so many times. But at the end, ended up in being a purchase. So when you guys say, are my prices too high? Is that why you're not ordering anything? Your prices may not be too high. And it may not be, that's not why they're ordering. It just may be people are comparing to another business. Let's say your lip gloss or your shea butter is like $10, but someone else's lip gloss or shea butter is like $5. But they may want to order from you even though yours is more because your quality, you know, your customer service, how you are as an entrepreneur. So there's more that comes into just ordering than just someone liking your product and just wanting to buy. You know, most people are not going to want to order or buy from a company or a business who knows that someone has a nasty customer service. They know that if their package is lost or that you didn't ship their package off in time, that you're not going to reply to their emails. So there's more than just why these people are not ordering from me, okay? So I want you guys to kind of get out of that habit because as soon as your business takes off, you're going to be wondering, why I got so many orders. I can't keep up with so many orders. And you're going to be grateful, you're going to be thankful, but it takes time to get there. Okay? Also, you want to have an appealing website. You want an easygoing website. You don't want people to not know where to find things. Of course, you want to have titles. Of course, you want to have nice pictures. But if someone goes on your website, and let's say you're having a sale. If someone goes on your website, how do you know you're having a sale if they don't follow you? How do you know you're having a sale if they're not your friend on Facebook? How do you know they're having a sale? They're not your family and friends, you know? So it's like, if you're going to have a sale, don't just mention on Instagram, don't mention on Facebook, don't mention on Twitter, Pinterest, whatever you promote your business on. Actually have that sale on your business website, you know? Because people attract to sell. People like to bargain. People always want to catch out these deals. So it's like, don't just put it on one platform. That's another way you can kind of have so much traffic but no sales because all your audience that you posted this sell on Instagram, but people that are searching your business on Google or on Facebook don't know nothing about the sell because you didn't promote it there. So without them knowing that you promote a sell, maybe they wanted to catch you on a sell, but they don't know that. So that's one thing. It's basically promoting on all of your platforms if you are having a sell or something is discounted or anything of that nature. Also with traffic but no sale is you gotta be patient, okay? People are going to really judge how you do things, okay? And you gotta understand that there are other businesses out here, okay? Everybody's not the same. Hopefully everybody's not the same. But other businesses are out here, so they're basically trying to one-up you, okay? Some people want to see you succeed. Some people want to be in the same group as you and cheer you on. And some people are like, no, you're my competition, so I'm going to fight you on this and I want to do better than you, okay? So you really have to find something that's going to stand out on your website. There are some people pay for websites. Some people actually work on their website by themselves and work really hard on them. You can tell from a very professional website and then someone who didn't take their time on the website. If you didn't take your time on the website, why would I want to order from you? You didn't put no effort into this, but you want to have sales. If you didn't put no effort and time, why do you think you're going to have sales? You think it's just going to come to you? Do you think people are going to just hand you money? It's not going to work that way. You actually have to work for yourselves, okay? Post every day. Do sales. Be consistent. Have an amazing website. Know your audience. Know who you want to attract, okay? If you know you want to attract young girls and then not older adults, why would you have more of not a bright color, fun, quotes, website? Why would you want to have something that's so cookie cutter, It's good to be professional, but always know your audience. So having a business and having no sales is very discouraging at times. Trust and believe, you starting off, you may not have a lot of sales in the beginning. And there's some people who actually starting off have sales every day or back to back. But it takes time, and it depends on how much work that you put in your business. That's really what it comes down to. Traffic with no sales comes to how much work you put in your business, especially promoting. You can promote on Facebook ads, you can do YouTube ads, you can do Instagram ads. If you don't do that, then how are you getting to the people who don't follow you? Not saying that you have to do Instagram and Facebook ads, but starting off, some people do that. And when they get to the point to where they don't have to actually put their business out there like that because their business is already out there, then they kind of slow down on those ads because people already know them. People already know their business and what they're known for. So in the beginning, you have to do so much work, and you may not want to, but you can't just want something to hand out to you. You can't do that. You can't just want someone to give you out their vendors. You can't just want someone to basically do all the work from themselves and then just give it to you for free. It doesn't work that way. I'm sorry, but that's really not how the entrepreneur business works. So for you guys who are not having no sales or just a little bit sales, because you may have some sales but have more traffic, be patient. It's all a numbers game, okay? Sometimes you have to reach a certain amount of visitors and a certain amount of numbers to see you're selling your revenue, okay? Just because someone next to you made 1,000 in a month and you made 1,000 in 2 months, it's okay. You're gonna get to the point where you make 1,000 in a day. You just have to be consistent and keep on going and keep on pushing. There's nothing really technical to, okay, how she get to get sales and why I don't get sales. Maybe she's spicing it up. Maybe she's selling the same thing you're selling, but she's doing something different. Maybe she has a different audience than you. Maybe her friends and her family are supporting her. Maybe her friends and family are, I don't know, maybe they're putting out her business cards. Maybe they're promoting on their own Facebook and Instagram, okay? You have to understand, people are doing different things, so you gotta just focus on your game. Focus on your business. Focus. Just understand what you're doing and make sure what you're doing is for you and you're not trying to copy someone else. Make sure that you're being true to yourself and you're not changing for nobody else. That's really all comes down to traffic and no sales. There's no tricks to it. It's really, really not. Just go for your business, be your hand in the game, and keep it rocking and rolling. So I really want to just kind of just give you a little pep talk on the traffic and no sales. Like I said, once again, there's nothing to no tricks. There's nothing. There's really just, you have to put time into your business. That's it. I understand in the beginning you're gonna be very mad. You're wondering why your numbers are not adding up. They will add up eventually. You just gotta put in the time and the effort. That's really what it comes down to, having a business. Put the time and the effort and manifest. Pray and know that God is on your side, and know that you can do this. If you want this, you can do this. So that's all I have for today for you guys. It was just another, like I said, really quick pep talk. If you need another pep talk, I do have a video that says don't give up. That's just for people who I really saw a lot of Facebook and a lot of Instagram wanting to go out of businesses or say I'm not getting no sales, so I want to give up and now everything must go. That's what that video is about. So if you need a little pep talk just like this one, definitely go ahead and check out that video. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. So stay tuned.